So when you first get your machine, you want to make sure that there's no dents or any rips in the box. And on a new machine, you'll have this, and you want to make sure it's green. If it's red, that means your machine has tilted, and just inspect it before you sign it. Alright, so in this video, we're going to show you what to do when you first get your new machine and how to unbox it. So first things first, we're going to want to grab our invoice slip. And this is just from the shipper, so we're just going to want to put these in a safe place. And then we'll start by cutting the straps off the side. We'll just grab a new knife. Pop this off. Once you pop those two off, you can just lift off the top. Now it is one big enclosure, so you can either cut down the side or you can just lift the whole box off. So I usually just lift the whole box off. Put that to the side. And now when you first get your new machine, you'll have your box up front with all your little parts and your keys and all your paperwork. So we're just going to put that aside in a safe spot. And then right now we just want to make sure that the machine there's no damages on the machine. So we'll take it all off. And that machine looks pretty good to me. I don't see anything wrong with it. Alright, so then we want to grab our keys in that first box. And if you have any problems with the machine, make sure you write it in this white box right here, and then just sign for it, and you should be set to go. After you unwrap your machine, you want to walk around and make sure there's nothing wrong with it, no dents or scratches, and this one looks pretty good to me. So once we're done unwrapping it, we're going to want to go back to that box that we pulled out the first time. And in here we have our keys. These two are going to be our fascia keys, and this one's going to be our cassette key. So we'll grab our fascia keys. We're going to open up the bottom and make sure everything's all right. So the default password for a new machine is 123456. So go ahead and type that in. And everything looks good to me in here. We're going to take out this box, and this is just a bracket for our topper. Should make it a little bit easier to get it off the pallet. And we'll lock this back up, put this box aside, and now we're gonna... Alright, after we closed up the bottom of our machine, we're gonna want to take it off the pallet. So how I do is I like to teeter-totter it and slowly take it off the pallet. So... slowly filter it down. Now you should be all good to start your machine up.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.